Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a collage on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, go ahead, open up your Instagram app. Right here in the home section you will find this kind of interface, right? Go ahead, tap on this plus icon in the bottom. Go to story section. Now you have plenty of option for you to create a collage. The simple option is simply going to this option of layout. You can simply choose to change your grid as well. So we have this now. We can simply click picture for the each grid of ours accordingly, and we can simply create a collage and simply choose to tap on this, and we will be able to upload it. But if you would like to add the existing pictures, for that all we have to do is simply go back. Again, tap on plus, go to story section, and right over here tap on this particular gallery section of yours, and now go ahead, choose yourself a picture, right? And now tap on this option. Now tap on draw, choose yourself a background color, press on the middle, and now tap on done. Tap on this particular icon, go ahead, tap on this icon, photo icon. Now go ahead and add picture. Simply you can change the shape of it. Again, tap on this icon, choose another one. Again, you can change the shape of it. You can place it wherever you want. Simply go ahead, choose your pictures like that, just accordingly, and simply paste them all over. When you're done, you can tap on this icon right over here, and you can share your story wherever you want and however you would like. That's how you can create a collage of pictures on your Instagram according to your liking, by choosing that your pictures that you need, and if you would like to create on like you need. So this is how you can simply do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.